These shoes is the proof that the Air Jordan 1 hype is dead. As usual, I got some complaints and some thoughts about the release, but first let's take a look at the shoes. So instantly when I saw that they are going to be released, I liked them a lot and I wanted to have them. And I watched the kind of bad Nike live show. Used to hope for a pre-drop, but I missed that pre-drop. They did a pre-drop with these, and I missed that because I got a phone call just at that time. And you have seen, all right, so they're nice. You have seen a bunch of, all right, they are really nice actually. You have seen a bunch of unboxing videos, people talking about the leather. So let me start there as well. Some minor glue residue, but that's okay. But the leather is really nice, actually, really nice. And usually, sneaker or Air Jordan 1 sneakers with the black toe look, they are usually really good. Let me take these for an example. The Taxis, also a very underrated shoe, very nice leather, and the green black toe and the red toe and yada yada yada. So I don't think that that is something they do on purpose, but it just happened to be that shoes with this black toe colorway design are usually really good, and these are really, really good. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but the leather is really nice. And instantly when I saw them, even if the colors are not right, I thought of the LeBron Miami. Where do I have those? Yeah, so not at all the same color, but I bought laces for these. So this is how I'm going to rock them. So I agree with everybody else saying that the leather is really nice, which it really is. And now let's get to the tongue is also a bit thicker. The tongue is a bit thicker than your standard one. That's nice. So let's continue with this review. All right. The cheapest, worst insole. Don't they glue them anymore? Doesn't seem so. Are they so used that people put in second-hand insoles? And you get black laces and matching teal laces. What is the original or the Nike colorway? Green Glow. But I wouldn't call them Green Glow actually. Never mind. So now to my complaints. So I missed the pre-drop, and I've been checking them on StockX, and weirdly, they have been under retail the whole time, even after the pre-drop. So I've been thinking of getting them because I knew they were going to be much more expensive in Sweden. I'm getting to that. So I was thinking of getting them because they have been pre-dropped, so there are real shoes out there, but I'm just so afraid of getting replicas. So I don't dare to buy anything from StockX, especially not before the big release. And I had my eyes out on a calendar for months. they ended up on other sites' release calendars, but not on the sneakers app. And I found that really weird. So they ended up on Sneakers and Stuff calendar. They get everything, but they don't sell everything in Sweden. And still nothing on the Sneakers app, nothing Europe. And they're still cheap on StockX. The US 12 that I have is usually a expensive size. And the retail price for the shoes was $180, and the shoes on StockX 130 something, under 140 at least. So that also got me a bit scared, because a pre-drop going for under the coming retail price, that can't be right. So Sneakers and Stuff released them $240. The Swedish retail price are $230. Sneakers and Stuff charge you $10 shipping. So $240 for a pair of shoes that cost $180. A pair of shoes that I can buy via StockX and GOAT, etc., etc., before they are released, under $140. And even today, I just checked before I did this video, my size, US 12, they ask $132 for something. So I could give a bid for $120, and I would probably get a pair. And that is really weird. A Air Jordan 1 high with a cool color, maybe not for everyone, but a cool color and really nice leather. I don't get that at all. So even if the Jordan 1 hype is dead, still, comparing to the Swedish retail price, I could get them $100 cheaper, brand new via StockX, via resellers. I find that so weird. So I'm not done complaining. I won the shoes via the raffle on StockX. Sorry, Sneakers and Stuff. And they are a bit slow to ship them. Then I just happened to see them on the Nike app. And the reason why I went into the Nike app was because I got a 25% discount thing, because I've shopped a lot. So just for fun, I checked what can I buy for those 25% discount. The shoes get dropped in the Nike app. They are not in the sneakers app. They're not in the sneakers calendar. Not mentioned at all in the sneakers app. They are in the standard Nike app or Nike website. The only Air Jordan shoes that we see only on the Nike app or website and not the sneakers app are Air Jordan 1 mids. Maybe some golf shoes, maybe some Flies, and the Team Jordans, or they're not called Team Jordans anymore, but Jordans without the air in front of the name. That's the kind of shoes that we see only on the Nike app and not the sneakers app. And even though the Nike Air, the Air Jordan Retros doesn't sell out in the sneakers app, they are being listed in the Nike app as available on the sneakers app. And even if you have a discount and they are on sale and yada yada yada, you can't buy them via the Nike app, only on the sneakers app. And these only got released on the Nike app. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Are Nike trying to kill the Air Jordan 1 hype themselves, at least in Europe? Still not done complaining. So the shoes get released in the Nike app in all sizes up to US 17 or something, but not US 12. That was the only size they did not have, my size. I'm gonna put some screen prints in there. And I checked all sizes. All sizes was there at the release. Maybe even today. They've been released for a week or 2 weeks maybe, I don't know. Sneakers and stuff are kind of slow with shipping shoes. But at the release moment, they were available in all sizes except from US 12, my size. The size that Nike Europe are really trying to kill, and I don't get it at all. So yeah, I'm happy to have the shoes because they are really cool and the leather is really nice. I'm really disappointed. I bought these on Amazon, I don't know why, $10, and they really feel cheap. No stretching at all, too thin, too wide, so I don't like them at all. Absolutely not worth $10. And I think that extra laces are usually like $4 or $5, so $10, which means I paid $250 for these shoes that I can buy easily under $140 on StockX, or maybe even Goat. I don't know. I haven't checked Goat as much. So, good shoe, good leather, cool color, everything nice. Maybe some glue residue, but we are used to that. Smells good. I even forgot that. But they don't smell. All right, so they don't smell amazing, but smell good. Everything is right, except from not released in the sneakers app, not in Europe at least, maybe at least not in Sweden. The US retail price $100 translates to $230 in Sweden. $10 shipping, $10 laces, $250, and the shoes go under retail, under $140 via the resell sites. And they did that even before the shoes were dropped. I don't get this at all. This is so weird. This is so weird. And the terrible thing is that I've learned the last 2-3 drops with the airships and with these. I hate to say this, but maybe I should just get them via StockX instead, because that would be cheaper for me. I'm just so afraid to get replicas, so I more or less only buy via Sneakers and Stuff and the Sneakers app. I feel so weird. Let me put these laces on. I really don't like them. I should buy something else, but I'll wear my shoes once. So let me show you what it looks like with these laces on. I think they would look better with the black laces. The matching laces, I've seen some use them, and I think actually it makes them too much. It sounds weird with a cool color like this, but that's the drop that makes them too much. Black laces is nice, and this will absolutely be too much, but it will fit me, I think. Now I'm talking too much. My ridiculous, unnecessary, expensive laces was way too short. Way too short. But this would look good. But I'm not giving another $10 for another pair of pink laces. So I'm going with the black laces, I'm guessing. Or am I? What do you think? New pink laces, matching laces, or black laces? Let me know what you think.